Do you want to block someone on TikTok without viewing their profile? You can block a friend or account on TikTok without going to their profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To block someone on TikTok without viewing their profile. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom to go to your message section. Here, you'll see a list of chats from people you've interacted with. Find and tap on the chat of the person you want to block. You can search specific person by tapping the search icon at the top. Now, you're inside the chat conversation screen. At the top right corner, tap on the three-dot menu icon. A new screen will appear with different options. From here, tap on the block option. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on block again to complete the process. Now, that person has been successfully blocked on TikTok. They will no longer be able to send you messages, view your profile, or interact with your videos.